So some of the steps that you should take after a trauma in your home is, number one, make sure that you're safe and contain the area as much as possible. One of our number one things that we focus on is reducing cross-contamination throughout the area. So we want everybody to stay out. We don't want them to inadvertently step on some blood and then track it all over. And that includes pets, cats and dogs. Make sure that they're out of the area. Secure the site. Lock any doors if it's in an area that can be locked. Maybe even put up a sign that just says stay out. Something simple like that. And then depending on the time of the year, it really helps to keep the room temperatures low. So whether it's summer or winter, turn that thermostat down to maybe 55 degrees. That'll reduce the microbial activity in the blood and therefore reduce some of the odors that can come out of the situation. When we get there to do the cleaning, we'll adjust things as we need to, but those are some of the basic things that I'd recommend.